Over the years, I've represented plenty of people who have been in trouble for drink driving. Here are a few common traps that I find they fall into. The first is counting drinks. It used to be believed that you could have 1 or 2 drinks in the first hour and then 1 drink every hour after that and fall below the 0.05 limit. It's since been well and truly established that that doesn't work, so please don't count your drinks and think that you'll be fine. The second is morning after offences. If you've had a big night, before you get in the car the next morning, either to drive home or to take the kids to soccer, have a think about whether you might still have alcohol in your system. Often it feels more like being hungover than still drunk. If you've got that feeling, for goodness sake, don't get behind the wheel. Thirdly, it's become quite common for people to have personal breathalyzers either in their car or in their home. These are great for seeing where you're at the time that you blow into them. The problem is that if you've had a drink, used a personal breathalyzer and then driven, it might be that 5 or 10 minutes into your drive, your reading is actually higher than it was before you left. So while these devices are handy for understanding your limits and where your blood alcohol level might be at different stages of an evening, they're not something that you can rely on to make sure that you're safe to drive. So if you've had a drink, it's important not to drive. I know it doesn't sound like much fun, but the only way to be sure of avoiding a drink driving charge is to put the keys away if you're having a beverage. And if you are in trouble, we're always here to help.